Hi, my name's Isaac Shutt. I'm an estate planning attorney. I'm licensed to practice law both in Texas and in Wyoming. And today I'm going to answer a question that might seem like a very basic question, but it's a question that I get more than just about any other. And that is, what is a trust? So this video isn't about what's the difference between a revocable trust versus an irrevocable trust, or what is a life insurance trust, or a charitable trust. It's none of those things. It's just a really base level, what is a trust anyway? Well, here's a common misnomer, and that is that a trust is a document. No, it's actually not a document. A trust is a legal relationship created between the grantor of the trust, the trustee of the trust, and a beneficiary. And under Texas law, you don't even always have to have a trust in writing. So you could create some trust just orally, just by saying out loud, I'm intending to create a trust document, or just through the course of conduct, a court may infer that there was a trust created. So let's just get that out of the way. A trust isn't a document. So it's kind of funny when a client comes in and says, hey, my financial advisor asked to see a copy of my trust. That always makes me chuckle, because that's not a thing. I can't show you a trust. I can show you my trust agreement, which is a written document, but I can't show you my trust because that's just a fictional, made-up relationship. So again, just to recap, a trust is a relationship established between the grantor of the trust, the trustee of the trust, and the beneficiary. And I think it might help you to know what those three roles are. The grantor of the trust is the person, oftentimes you, the client, or the person who established the trust. That's the grantor. That's also sometimes called the trustor or the settlor. So settlor, grantor, trustor, that all is the same thing. That's the person who established the trust and put assets into the trust to begin with. Then you also have the trustee, and that is the person who's trusted to carry out the terms of the trust. So this is kind of like your money manager person, the person that you trust to dole out the distributions to the beneficiaries and to pay trust bills and kind of handle the operations of the trust. That's the trustee. And then the beneficiary is the recipient of the good stuff of the trust. They're the beneficiary. They're the one that the trustee is working for. So what a trust really is a relationship between those three. Grantor is providing instructions to the trustee to manage assets for the benefit of the beneficiary. And that's what a trust is. There's a million different flavors of trust, which is why they're so popular, because we can customize a trust agreement for everybody's particular situation. But at base level, that's what a trust is. I hope you found this video helpful. If we can answer other questions for you, we would love to hear from you. My name's Isaac Shutt. I'm an estate planning attorney licensed to practice law both in Texas and in Wyoming.